Welcome to Vancouver, Canada. Paisano, today we're going to the phone repair shop. There's a mall in Vancouver downtown. They call it Pacific Mall, Grand Pacific Mall, something like that. Pacific Center Mall. So we'll try to double check if they can fix my phone. So behind me is my friend.
They replace the LCD, they replace the battery, but there is something fault with your mother when you drop it. Mother. That is not fixed. This is a dead phone completely. This is dead phone. Dead, completely dead.
Paisano, I just finished my morning duty, and then I'm going to go to the repair shop. I'm going to repair my phone here. Let's see if they can, because they have the mall here called Pacific Center Mall, and they have a kiosk for phone repair shop. So I'm going to try to double check if they can fix my phone here. So let's see. We'll go there. I change and I go. Almost. Let's go. Let's go.
Mau balik ke sana.
Here we go. We just arrived after 15 minutes walk from the cruise terminal ports. We just arrived here in the Pacific Center Mall. We'll check inside. Let's go.
Brother, screen protector, case, camera lens protector.
This guy is too much upsell.
It's important because when you break your phone, I will only charge you 600 to repair phone. I don't work. It's important you work on cruise. If you drop your phone, very mushkil.
Too much upsell this. Lucky you have this guy. This lady is quiet.
Which one?
There's a lady here.
Yeah, the lady. He knows about ladies.
She's very quiet.
Yeah.
The lady. No upselling.
No upselling, right?
No, only
Him you
this
can
one.
see he's free. Any girl, anything female. Take case and protector. Jokes apart, please spend $2,000.
buy a screen protector, but he told me 120 now, it's not 30.
120 plus tax, I told him 3 times.
Including the tax, you said.
Plus tax.
How much?
See, if you want the unbreakable one, that's normally sold for $39.99. I'll give you $10 off on that with lifetime warranty.
How much?
That unbreakable screen protector, that one on the stand, that is sold for $39.99 for 13 Pro Max. I'll make it $29.99 including tax. That's a very good quality screen protector. It won't break or crack.
Support electronics, Mura.
It's the best quality. Take that, and even on case I will give you discount.
How much the camera protector?
Camera protector is 29. I'll make it 20 for you. Including tax.
I will eat first.
Yeah, eat and come.
So I can change my mind.
If you don't protect your phone, you will come for repair. The unbreakable screen protector that is usually sold for 49, but since you are going with OtterBox, I'll make you $10 with lifetime warranty, which means you always get free replacement. $29.99 plus 50. You can have your phone. That's it.
When was the last time you used your phone? April.
What happened was when I was in the airport during the shoot, it fell down, and that's it.
Can I have your phone, sir? You can come.
I replaced the LCD, I replaced the battery, but there is something fault with your motherboard when you drop it. Motherboard, yes. And that is not fixable. But what I can do for you, since you came to me, if you want, we have an iPhone 8 Plus on sale. Okay, so I can give you a trade value. This is a dead phone completely. You can keep the phone. Because this phone, anyway, if you're not gonna fix, you're gonna pay me 8 plus. I'll show you. Take 8 plus.
Gold and
Don't stop. This is much more advanced, this one. This is 6 plus. After 6 plus, there was 6s plus. After 6s plus, 7. After 7, 7s plus. Then 7 plus, then 8, and then 8 plus. So this is a very good phone for using it. It's like completely the processor is much faster. Everything runs very fast on this. This is dead for me. Dead, completely dead. Because if your phone falls, there could be two problems. Either your battery, either your LCD. I change your battery and check, it does not work. I change your LCD, I check, it does not work. I change both of them and I check, it's not good. And even it's not even starting the charging.
So you mean it's the motherboard?
It's a motherboard problem. And even if you try to fix that one, and anyway, if you're gonna fix this one, that's not gonna help you out, because motherboard problems are something like you're using your phone, next moment it could go off, and we cannot give you any warranty of that.
Okay.
So it's best, like as I told you, for this one, I'll just fix the phone and I'll give it to you. But you keep the phone with you, the old phone, because you are data. You might think I'm using your phone.
I'm not. What do you think? It works in the phone?
It is a completely unlocked phone. All over the world it will work. If you have any problem with the phone, we are always there. You can just get back to the phone.
By leaving in November.
You can leave in November. It will work. It's 100% unlocked. Mobile care is one of the biggest ones. All your friends come to us to buy the phone.
I know. That's why this is my 5th time here.
This is one of the best phones.
And leave me your email address, because all my friends they didn't believe me that you're only Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, I am only on Saturday and Sunday.
They
because
didn't
I
believe,
work-
but they don't believe me.
They should believe.
who don't believe you?
All my friends from
But
the
I am
city,
here every day. Even if it's not there, I am also there.
I cannot find you every day.
I am here every day.
Since when?
Every day. I come here every day. Monday to Sunday.
So this is the best thing I'm gonna offer you for now, because you are my regular customer and I don't want you to go like without a phone.
So I'm going to take this one.
I'll take your old phone also back,
Yeah.
and I'll adjust it to the new phone as a manager. Okay? Yeah, so I will just fix this one back. And,
How many GB is that?
let me check this one.
Yeah, their own. They are like individual. Solitary. They are colonial. Yeah. Also, they are colonialists.
This is 64 GB.
64.
64. Very good, everything. Camera quality, everything is very, very good. You see
This SIM this one?
Which one?
SIM card.
SIM card you have to buy from any of
No,
the
no.
carrier.
I have the SIM
Okay, this one I will put the SIM card for you.
So I can open the internet now for this one. Don't give me this tax casa. Don't give me tax.
Taxes are compulsory.
Huh?
Taxes are compulsory, but I will give you a discount on the case and the
I'll
product.
pay you 30.
I know that taxes on the phones are it is good for you only. Because anytime you have any, you keep this phone for you.
Don't forget your email address. Huh?
I will do everything, and also I will show you the good cases so that you don't break or crack your phone when you go to finish. This one of the best cases. You see this one? This is an Oxford diary for iPhone 8 Plus. The material, the touch, have your phone just to show you. This one, you throw your phone, nothing will happen. You can make it as a stand while watching anything. You can keep your cards and you can close it like upside down. See, you feel the touch. It's one of the good ones. Even at your home, if your wife is using it, will be best. Okay? You just open like this. And when you want to make a stand while video calling, do like this. When you want to keep a card, keep like this. When you're not using, just close like this again. 360-degree protection, okay? This is your box. You will keep your old phone in the box.
And then you tell him you're going to give it to me.
No. This is a good quality one. See, I don't want to... And I will put the screen protector as a compliment to you.
Okay.
Because you're buying a phone with us, I'll put a screen protector as a compliment.
So what's the problem? Motherboard?
Motherboard problem.
Where's
Don't fix it, just keep it in the
Where's
home.
my case?
This is because of this case you are facing problems. By form.
Yeah, really?
You always have to have a drop test at least, okay?
Yeah, because of this. No?
So this is a good quality premium glass. I'm putting it for you, okay? As free. Don't tell your friends about the price, okay?
I will tell them.
Don't tell them because I'm giving you a discounted price.
We will say you are lying. Yes, I will say you are lying.
What's your name, brother?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. From India?
Yes, from India.
Idhar hi India.
Downside.
Huh?
South India.
South is Goa, no?
Yeah, Goa is in south, but we are like 8 hours away from Goa.
Ah, okay.
You been to Goa?
Yes. Goa, Chennai, and Mumbai.
Okay?
You put the SIM already?
Thank you for that.
I have my SIM here. Sorry.
This SIM is not Canadian SIM?
No, Philippines.
Is it working?
Yeah.
How long you haven't used this SIM for long, I believe?
This one?
Yeah.
2013.
No. Is it active SIM?
This one?
SIM
Yeah.
is working?
Yeah.
When did you call it locked from the SIM card?
April.
You have to get it activated. This will not work.
April, 3 months means it will not work.
Either go and get a Dell SIM.
No, but this phone it will work without the SIM. No?
It will work all the SIM, but the SIM is not active.
Yeah. Without the SIM, it works.
On Wi-Fi.
No. On Wi-Fi it will work.
Yes.
But I'm just saying that when you go to Philippines, get a new SIM.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just putting this old one here.
You are not
Active. Okay, Josh, everything has been fixed. Your new phone, congratulations. Your old phone, I keep it in the box. Put the case in the phone, okay?
Return this one.
My friend,
Yes.
this is the new case. That's why it is press hard a bit and then it will become loose, okay? If you have problem, come back to me.
Put your email address. You have the calling card. Put inside.
I will put the calling card.
These people don't believe me.
Okay, $5 off also for you. Last time. Not now.
Calling card
And you need a cable for your phone, right?
or iPhone. What's the calling card?
Calling card you get there. We don't sell calling card.
अरे अपना calling card दियो
Our calling number, okay.
Take, how many do you want? Take 2.
Okay, what next?
Cable for iPhone.
जैसे लो
Original Apple.
I can open this one. No, we need to take it. It's work here.
It is an Apple original Apple.
No, the problem this is not original. That's my problem. This one? This one. My OTG. This is Android only. I need an
Where do
iPhone.
you want to
You
use this?
want to use that USB, that thing, that memory with the cord? We don't have that.
This is a cable, charging cable.
This is a
I
charge.
have a charging cable, but I'm talking about this one.
No, we don't have the connector. USB connector we don't have.
Cellphone mo. Sammy.
Oh, Kushir. How much? Motherboard, no? The name?
Motherboard. Mother, you remember mother? Board. Mother problem. Say, mother problem.
Paisano, my old phone. This one. No chance to fix it. The problem is the motherboard.
You know,
Yeah.
same life. He also takes video, proof, because his girlfriend cutting his penis.
So, what they did is two guys here, all the way from India. They do upselling because this Muhammad too much for upselling. He's,
लेके आके फोन
he's expert of upselling. So now, look. So now, instead of fixing this one, they sold me this one. iPhone 8 Plus, 8 Plus. So, I got two phones now. But the price is confidential. I don't need this one. No.
No problem, I'll discard it for you. Okay, that's all very good price. For you, believe me, with the case and everything, you won't get it really. And that too, I'm giving you back your phone. No one will do that.
Paisano, they're expert of upselling. These two guys here.
Very good price.
Okay?
Perfect, okay. Thank you, sign it here. On the screen. Yeah, just then I send you the copy of your receipt, okay? Have a phone number, you have a Canadian number?
But mine it's work. 0929 Philippines number.
Type your email address. Your phone receipt will go to the email address.
This one.
Perfect. I send you right away, okay? Send successfully, okay? Perfect. Thank you so much. Done. Completed your turn. Send your friend next time.
Thank you so much.
Good choice.
Done with my business today. So bye-bye. Paisano. Bye-bye. That's the end of my vlog. I don't have enough time because I need to go back to the ship before 3 o'clock. And the time now is 2 o'clock. I want to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, mga hungog! Pakpak, mga hungog! Pakpak! Pakpak, pakpak, pakpak! Dikini, men!